So still production's pretty good, but I just wanted to also show you that something interesting happened. As I raised up the bubbler, I put it much higher, I see a lot more flow going through the exit tube very consistently. I don't see any huge air pockets actually developing here. I don't have that level bobbing up and down anymore. And interestingly also is that down here, if you can observe, if I can hold it still enough, every once in a while I see little bubbles creeping down to the bottom. I guess it's suggesting that there's better flow because the bubbler's positioned higher. I think also having this tubing maybe directed without an angle would help facilitate better flow. And for the first time, I'm seeing a little bubble there on the down tube, just fighting its way down. So really much better flow through the whole system than before. And with better flow, actually less amps. I did concentrate the electrolyte a little bit more, so roughly it's about 3/4 of a teaspoon of sodium hydroxide per liter of water. But doing much better in terms of flow. You can see the whole way up to the top there. Much more rapidly. Circulating a whole lot better. Starting to feel warm, but it doesn't feel mushy. Probably a tubing that is better suited for higher pressure and higher heat. I think bigger tubing here, or bigger angles, or what do you call those, elbows? Larger diameter, inner diameter would probably be better. Maybe even put two. You can see the bubbles forming here at the top. And just going right on up. So maybe a bigger tubing, or maybe an extra tubing through the top there, help facilitate flow. But don't see that water level anymore bobbing up and down, just by simply raising the bubbler. And there's that little bubble trying to fight its way down. So pretty good flow there. Electrode on the negative side is staying really cool. See what the positive isn't hot. A little warm. Yeah, it's getting hot actually. I hope that doesn't melt through. The bubbly action from the side. Probably not be able to see through that very well with all the goop. Try to get a better camera for this type of thing. You see the flow is really booking through the tube now, so much better than before.